Before we dive in, hit that like button if you dream of exploring the world in futuristic style. And don't forget to subscribe for more luxury, design and innovation stories every day. Now, let's start our journey through the most expensive, futuristic, and jaw-dropping motorhomes in the world. Top 5. The 2027 Volkner Performance S Ultra. The Volkner brand from Germany is known for pushing limits, and their 2027 Performance S Ultra is like a spaceship on wheels. From the outside, it has a sleek, aerodynamic body, polished chrome panels, futuristic LED strips that glow at night, and a drop-down side panel that reveals, wait for it, a built-in garage for your supercar. Yes, you can park a Ferrari or Lamborghini inside your motorhome. Step inside, and you're hit with ultra-modern design. Think minimalist luxury. Smooth lines, hidden compartments, and furniture that adjusts automatically. The living room has smart glass walls that tint with a voice command, giving you privacy or panoramic views at will. The master bedroom looks more like a luxury hotel suite than an RV. A king-sized bed with memory foam, mood lighting that changes colors, and wall-mounted smart screens for entertainment. The kitchen is compact but high-tech, induction cooking, a touchscreen smart fridge, and hidden storage that slides open with a gesture. The dining area expands electronically to seat 6 people comfortably. The bathroom has a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and even an automatic scent system that makes it feel like a spa. But the real showstopper is still the garage. The Performance S Ultra lets you bring your luxury car with you wherever you go. Top 4. The 2027 Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superiore. This is the motorhome that already made headlines years ago as one of the most expensive in the world. The 2027 version, even crazier, with its aerodynamic front that looks more like a private jet cockpit and a golden white paint scheme that screams royalty. This RV doesn't try to hide. It wants to be seen. Inside, it's a blend of futuristic and palace-like luxury. The living space is wrapped in Italian leather, marble accents, and LED ceiling panels that simulate a starry night sky. The master suite is pure indulgence, round king bed that rotates automatically toward the sunrise, climate-controlled air, and a private balcony that extends outward at the push of a button. The kitchen is full chef's grade, built-in wine coolers, smart oven, and AI-powered appliances that suggest recipes based on what you store inside. Dining is done at a round futuristic glass table with seating that lights up beneath you. Think marble spa, full-size bathtub, heated towel racks, and lighting that changes based on mood. But the Sky Lounge is what sets it apart. The roof lifts up to create a rooftop terrace, complete with lounge chairs and a minibar. Top 3. The 2027 Futuria Sports Plus Spa Edition. This one's for the party lovers. From the outside, it's sleek and boxy, painted in matte black with glowing neon edges. The design screams futuristic nightlife. Step in, and you're greeted by a lounge that could belong to a Las Vegas nightclub. Neon lighting, customizable holographic walls, and a sound system that can shake the entire vehicle. A floating bed design with hidden LED strips, modern textures, and a virtual assistant that adjusts climate and lighting while you sleep. The kitchen is compact but futuristic. Transparent counters that light up, a hologram recipe guide, and a dining space that folds out from the wall like something out of a sci-fi film. This motorhome comes with something insane. A steam spa inside, rainfall shower, aromatherapy diffuser, and even a built-in waterproof speaker system. And here's the wild part. The Futuria has a built-in jacuzzi and rooftop party deck. Yes, a jacuzzi inside your motorhome. Top 2. The 2027 Featherlight Vantare Platinum Plus. This beast already costs millions, and the 2027 redesign only raised the bar. The exterior is polished silver with adaptive lighting strips that adjust brightness automatically. The front has a futuristic cockpit that makes it look like a luxury yacht on wheels. Inside, it's rich and futuristic, mahogany wood combined with carbon fiber and stainless steel. The walls shift color temperature depending on time of day, giving you warm golden tones in the evening and cool whites in the morning. The bedroom features Italian silk, a king-sized bed, and an AI-driven sleep system that tracks your sleep cycles and adjusts comfort levels in real time. The kitchen is ultra-modern with stone countertops, a built-in espresso bar, and a refrigerated wine wall. Dining takes place under a glowing skylight ceiling that simulates day or night. The bathroom is practically a penthouse spa. Full rainfall shower, a heated bathtub, gold-plated sinks, and yes, a massage system built into the shower wall. The Featherlight even comes with its own garage space and an elevator system that moves you between different levels of the motorhome. Top 1. The 2027 concept. Hyperion X motorhome now. For the craziest of them all, the Hyperion X is a futuristic prototype turned reality. The body is made of lightweight titanium alloy with solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof. The design looks like a spaceship landed on the highway. Angular, glowing, and unlike anything else on Earth. Inside, you feel like you're in a luxury penthouse floating above the clouds. Transparent OLED walls turn from clear windows to immersive entertainment screens. The living room has adaptive furniture that reshapes depending on whether you're entertaining guests or relaxing. The bedroom floats above the main cabin on a glass platform with a 360-degree view of the landscape. Smart curtains and AI-powered climate control make it feel like sleeping in space. The kitchen is ultra-futuristic. Robotic arms cook meals for you. The fridge restocks itself through drone delivery, and the dining table projects holographic menus. The bathroom is the definition of futuristic luxury. A zero-gravity shower pod, heated marble floors, and a self-cleaning system that uses nanotechnology. But the true highlight, the Hyperion X, has a detachable drone pod that lifts off the roof. You can literally fly above the landscape while your motorhome waits below. These are the top 5 futuristic motorhomes of 2027. Vehicles that redefine what luxury and travel can be. From built-in garages for your supercar to floating bedrooms and detachable drone pods. These aren't just RVs, they're the future of freedom. So tell me in the comments, which one would you live in if money wasn't a problem? Would you take the Spa Party Futuria or the sci-fi Hyperion X that looks like it belongs on Mars? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to NextLux Reviews, and share it with anyone who dreams of futuristic travel. Because one thing's for sure, the future of motorhomes is already here, and it's beyond imagination.